Meantime, Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis will address Parliament this Wednesday on recommendations from health experts on the future of the COVID-19 pandemic here in the Bahamas, particularly as case numbers in New Providence and Abaco continue to rise. The Prime Minister outlined more details on government's continued plan to fight the COVID-19 pandemic during a national address yesterday.
Focus on what you can do to keep yourself and your families healthy and safe. Focus on what you can do to save money and find opportunities, even though there are few at this time.
As COVID-19 case numbers during the second wave continue to rise, Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis hopes that those words of advice can send a resounding message on how to limit any further spread. In his national address Sunday, he emphasized government's commitment to the reopening and revitalization of our tourism sector, which in turn fuels the national economy and provides critical employment opportunities nationwide. He outlined the new travel protocols recently announced by the Ministry of Tourism. Visitors will no longer be required to quarantine as of November 1st, and the introduction of a rapid antigen test upon arrival to the country. Government believes these methods will benefit tourism workers and our visitors.
I am appealing to everyone working in the tourism sector or who interacts with the public to continue to observe the basic rules. I can never say this enough. This virus is no respecter of persons, so please wear your mask, wash your hands regularly, and keep your distance.
Health officials have noted, though, that some of the most vulnerable patients of COVID-19 have comorbidities. That makes individuals even more prone to contracting the virus.
We have serious problems in our Bahamas with obesity, with hypertension and diabetes. And in fact, we are the 6th most obese populace in the world, and we have a diabetic rate of 1 in every 7 individuals. People who have these conditions do poorly when infected with this virus. The more physically distant we are, the more we wear our mask properly, the fewer people will be infected. This would help to give our hospital staff more time and resources to treat the people already in wards without having to manage additional patients.
Prime Minister Minnis implores Bahamians and residents to not listen to those who sell fear and panic during the COVID-19 pandemic, as Bahamians, he says, are not bowed by challenges or tough times. Altaviz Munnings, ZNS Network News.